Okay, good morning, traders. What a good morning it is today. I have actually passed, after 8 days of trading, I have passed my 50K eval. I had a good morning yesterday and today. I was able to get out of that bad trade that I had some really good trades pop up, and I just took the last trade until I am past my prop firm. So let's jump over to here. You can see we had an excellent day today. I'm getting a little bit more aggressive because I'm feeling more confident with the system as time goes on. And you can see on Justin's channel, the same thing happened to him. As times went on, he has done very, very well. I did take a pretty good loss, but I had another trade that was in profit when I took that I could wipe that back out with pretty quick. Statistically, we've had really good days. Looks good across the board. Had a few small losses. Had some really good wins. NQ, I had three wins back to back. Win, win, win. Excellent. I'm super excited about this. So, one thing with Take Profit Trader too, if you didn't know this already, originally it was a $3,000 goal. I'd actually had such a big day, they extended my goal to 4,056. And looking at stats today, we are at 54,176. So I'm actually $100 over that. So hopefully they don't come back and say you need to keep trading, but I think we've passed it. So these metrics are awesome. I can't say enough about them. Once you get the hang of it and once you know what to look for, it's a game changer. They are absolutely phenomenal. So I love it. I've really enjoyed using it. I've got very, very, very good at reading the chart. It's helped me be more consistent. It's helped me cut my losses sooner. Like that loss, that $700 loss, I had another trade to take care of it right away. But even if I take a loss to start my first trade in the day, it doesn't even bother me because I've got so much data and so many things I'm looking at between all the pairs assets that I look at. It's just amazing what the difference can be when you have these metrics. The clarity you get on the chart is amazing. I love them. I can't say enough about them. That's why they're on my channel. I'm very proud that we made this mark. I wanted to get this done within a week or so. I didn't want to have a rebuild or anything like that. And now my goal is I just want to pull my 300 to 500 out every day. When I hit that goal, I shut the computer off and I go do other things. But that's going to be a game changer for me financially, and hopefully it will be for you too. Yeah, you can see the first day when I first got this account last week. I don't know if you remember that video from last week. I was down $400, and I forgot to turn my alerts off. I better turn those off. I use alerts. They just basically flag on my RSI histogram, and then I confirm on the chart. So that was just this one here. So now we've got red. We've got a red background, we've got red volume, we got one of these red dots, and we've got red in our histogram. So I've got like 5 confirmations that this is heading south. And you're trading with momentum, you're trading with volume, you're trading with the metrics, and you've got a kick butt system. So I really love this system, guys. I've all these videos I've showed you just barely scratched the surface. What I recommend is get it for yourself. Get you a demo account on TradingView, play with it for a week or two, get really familiar with it, then grab you a prop firm account. I mean, what do you have to lose? And I just proved to you I did it. I've documented it. I did it. Justin's done it. It took me 11 full days, but this is my 8th trading day, I think it said. Yeah, trading days 8 right here. So you can do it. And I went pretty easy on it the first couple days, and I got more aggressive as time went on just because I'm so confident with it. I love the confidence it gives you. So, yeah, the next video I will post my certificate when they send it to me. And then, like I say, now my mindset's changed a little bit. Instead of trying to beat the eval and getting that much aggressive with it, my goal is going to be $300 to $500 a day. And once I've hit that metric and hit that consistently, I'm just going to be done. And we're just going to grow our account. And eventually I'll have my own account. I want to trade my own prop account. I want to have my own. I don't want to have a prop account. I want to have my own funded firmed account that's got 20, 30, 40,000 in it that I can pull a couple hundred a day or more pretty easily. So exciting times. 2025 is going to be an exciting year. So yeah, everything will be in the notes. If you want this metric, I highly recommend it. Like I said, don't get a prop account very first with it, a prop account with it very first. Get the metrics. upload them on a demo account, and play with it for at least a week. That's such solid advice. So many people will just go buy 5 traded accounts, prop accounts, and just get rocking. And even though you probably be okay, you want to get familiar with it. There is some tricks to it. You definitely, it takes a little bit of a feel, in my opinion. You've got to get used to it. It's different than anything else that is really out there. There's just some things about it you want to get down, because you know you will have some losses, and I'd hate for you to have 5 prop accounts and you just to jump into a buy right here, and then 10 minutes later you're in a loss on all 5 accounts. So you know, you just get used to it, but make it your own. I made this my own. I added order blocks to it for my support and resistance lines, which I love that because I can see, look right here, it rejected. This is a good level to target for. So now this is a sale. I'm done trading for the day, but if I was going to continue trading, I would not be a bit surprised if this level gets down here somewhere on the NQ. If we go back to MES, we got a ways. But same story. It rejected off of here. This is another strong rejection. Going over to gold. Look at gold. I had a beautiful buy this morning. Let's see. Where is my gold chart here? Shows I had a loss, but I had a win. I don't remember. I think that was the loss, actually. This was the $700 loss right here. I can't remember what happened. But anyway, oh yeah, I was buying and I took a loss right here because I thought it would. It actually went red on this one candle. See this? And my momentum barely went down, and I thought, man, this thing's tanking, so I got out. And I bought right here, took the loss right here, and then it went back up here. That's exactly what happened. So, but look at this. Beautiful, easy to see. Very clear this has been in a buy most of the morning since the market opened. We've been open for 2.5 hours now. I mean, you could have jumped in anytime you see these dots and they're on the bottom side of the candle in an uptrend, you can buy on these levels and you can do great. Like right now, if I would have bought this right now, I bet you money this would go. This is the daily top. It's probably going to go clear to here by the end of the day. I would not be a bit surprised. That's why I love the order blocks. That's why I love the RSI, because you're just confirming everything else we're already seeing. You've got multiple confirmations, and it just works. It's a great system. Cannot recommend it enough. 10 out of 10. So that's enough for this video. Awesome moment. I was just excited to get this out, and the next video I should be funded. I should have my certificate. I'm going to send it in to Justin. He's going to put it on his website for me. And then the fun begins. Now we're going to start making real money. We're going to actually make a difference with this. And what are you waiting for? It's your turn too.